So we have this interesting question. This seems to be a geometry question, but it is more of a algebra question. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So we are given with a rectangle whose perimeter is 320 meters and area is 4800 square meter. We need to find the length and width of this rectangle. Okay, so first of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. This is equals to 320, correct? That means length plus width will turn out to be 160, right? So please keep this in mind. The sum of length and width is 160. Similarly, area is 4800 square meter. That means length times width is 4800. So we have two relations between length and width. Now, one way is to use these two equations and you'll get one quadratic equation, then solve that. But instead of forming a quadratic equation, we have a different way to find length and width using these two relations. What is that way? See, the product of length and width is 4800. That means two numbers when multiplied gives us 4800. That means we can find the factors of 4800. Yes. So let's find factors of 4800. 1 times 4800, 2 times 2400, right? Like this, we can find factors. And when we add these two factors of a factor pair, we should get 160. If we add two factors of a factor pair, we should get 160, right? Now, instead of writing all the factor pairs, we will jump to higher factor pairs to find our answer. So I'll straight away jump to 10. 10 times 480. Do you think they will add up to give us 160? No. 20 times 240. Still, I will not get my answer. 30 times 160. 160 plus 30 will give us 190, but we need 160. So 40 times 120. Yes, this pair will give me the correct answer. Why? See, 40 times 120. This will give us 4800. Correct. Now, if I add 40 plus 120, I will get 160 as well. Right? So, I have fulfilled both the conditions. Right? So, what will be the length and what will be the width? So, if length is 120 meters, width will be 40 meters. Similarly, if length is 40 meters, width will turn out to be 120 meters. So these are the two possibilities with us. These are the two possible pairs of length and width. These will be our final answers.